Hey there. Need to change your Affirm payment schedule? Whether you need more flexibility or want to pay early, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you out. Step 1. Log in to your Affirm account. Go to affirm.com or open the Affirm app. Tap Sign In, enter your phone or email, and verify with the code they send. Step 2. Go to Payments. Once you're in, tap or click on the Payments tab to see all your active loans. Select the one you'd like to adjust. Step 3. Review your payment schedule. Inside your loan details, you'll see your current payment plan. This includes the due dates, total remaining balance, and the amount of each installment. Step 4. Change your payment date. Tap Manage or Change Payment Date if available. You'll see the available options to move your next payment forward or backward by a few days. Note: Affirm doesn't allow you to change your full repayment schedule or number of installments. If your payment is due soon, changes might be limited. Not all loans are eligible for rescheduling, especially if they're close to their due date. Step 5. Confirm the change. Choose your new date and confirm. You'll get an email and in-app confirmation once it's updated. Pro tip: want to pay off early? You can also make a one-time payment at any time without penalty. That's it. You've successfully updated your payment schedule on Affirm. Stick around to learn how to pause payments or request a refund. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides.